Right, it is my first full day in Bali and I slept on my neck wrong. The pillows here are really thick, so I don't know how I'm gonna sleep without messing up my neck. On the first day anywhere, I like to go around and check out the area that I'm staying in on foot. So I'm gonna go do that, try to get some coffee, and take my clothes for laundry service because all of my hot weather clothes are dirty. Alright, so I dropped off my laundry. I'm getting an affogato at this cute little cafe recommended to me by the laundry lady. Some water. Interesting. It's cute. You really had me back where you want me. I never thought I'd fall again. Created a space between us. As soon as you came and revealed that all that I thought would happen was clearly something you didn't feel. This is cool. This is like a sea shrine. There's a clear view of the beach from here. For those who menstruate, is prohibited entry into the temple. Wow. Sucks to be a woman, I guess. Hey, let me know when you will think of me. I feel desire. Can I feel my feet until we're dancing to this crazy beat? Kissing like we were in it. Alright, so I'm coming into Kuta now, which is a popular area for people to stay. Seeing more shops and cars and stuff on this road now. This is cool. I'm gonna go in here and cool off somewhere. Very cool. Kissing like we were in a trap. One fish jumped straight out of the water and this guy just like let it sit there for a long time, but I think he's putting it back now. I don't know. It's weird. Well, they've got a Burger King. Guess we're going to Burger King. Alright, I got the Tropical Whopper Junior meal and a jasmine tea. Should be interesting. Nice. So the meal comes with this jasmine tea and a piece of chicken, which I wasn't expecting. And the Tropical Whopper Junior. Okay, so it has, this is supposed to be bacon. It looks interesting. And it's got a pineapple on it and some sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, let's try it. That is very interesting. The sauce is a little, there's a little too much sauce for my taste. But the flavors overall go together really nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try this chicken. It's like KFC. Interesting. Cheers. There's a lot of stuff up here. Let's find some dessert. Not a lot of dessert options, so I'm gonna get an aloe vera mojito drink. So refreshing. Let me know when you will think cool like temple structures everywhere. I really like it. So this is the site of the 2002 Bali bombings. There's the names of the people who died in those bombings and what countries they're from. A lot of Australians. Aww. Hi. I like this spot. It feels very local. I got some dragon fruit juice. Yum, this looks so refreshing. And I heard him chopping up the ice, so I know it's nice and icy and cold. I love it. Alright, back at the hotel. Gonna see what the rooftop pool is all about. I think I'm gonna come up here for a sunset. It's beautiful. This is so pretty. Let's get in. Okay, the temperature is awesome. Kissing like we were getting more and more beautiful. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.